Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 30. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lilian and Wenjiao. Julian suddenly noticed that Wenjiao came into the room. Now it makes sense. She looked back. She want to know what will Wenjiao's gonna do. Turns out she's going to answer a phone call. Sister Wansing, what do you mean by that? Wenjiao was still talking. Of course, right now, it was Julian. She became aware, and also, she became more curious. Because of the topic, of course, she's been sensitive. CTD has a mental hospital called Angsin. There's a young patient who was asleep for 13 years. I heard that construction site accident that year caused damage to his brain. So who is the person that she is pertaining to? He was then taken to the hospital by the guardian. It seems to be curious, also confusing. Why is this person related to her? Well, let's see. After being admitted to the hospital, his guardian never show up, only on regular remittance every year. Well, it was really confusing. Guess, who is he? Now, Wenjiao, what do you want? Don't worry, he has seen by me, and there will be no disturbing your life for time being. Is this kind of blackmailing her? Well, it seems to be right. Looking at Wenjiao, she looks really serious. Beautiful, you are the same person as me. What the same person? Wenjiao said to her. Well, why suddenly Wenjiao was smiling? It turns out she was thinking something right. This time, I'll be on my own fate to expose you to the sun. Wenjiao said to herself, so that's why it seems that she's going to agree to meet up. Well, Wenjiao, if you want to help me, you can show a little sincerity. I don't believe in verbal promises. Well, that was the person who's asking her, but seems that Wenjiao is going to answer her. Now Julian finally went inside. After an hour, you will see my sincerity. Julian, she looks really serious. Well, of course, she don't want anything happen to Wenjiao. That's why she was always been there for her. Now, Julian is approaching her closely. Well, of course, really want to know what's happening. That's why she's been curious. Went inside to find her. Julian said, so Wenjiao, what did she tell you? Why are you going? We discussed that it's just a set of recording. It's being a self-willed. Wenjiao said to her, now it makes sense, of course. Julian, she will get jealous about this. Don't do silly things. We can discuss anything if you have something to do. Julian said to her, silly. Well, of course, it turns out Wenjiao, she's been scary when she was acting like that. Look at her. She was smiling. Believe me, I have to go. So it turns out she has some place. Well, definitely. School will be punished about this, but of course, looking at her, Julian, what are you doing? It turns out she's been disturbed. She gave her something. Is this a pendant or something else? Well, it seems to be confusing. Looking at Julian, someone is calling. Auntie Sushan, so it turns out one of her hands was calling her. Well, let's see what it's all about. The Su family really bothered about the conditions. Hello, Julian, your grandfather took a group leaders to the general group and they wanted to let you Su Shao step down in the name of the chairman's negligence and let you clarify the personal remarks do not represent the group. The composition of the Su group is extremely complex. Su family of the South City, the family behind the Su Shao. So it turns out one of the families, the grandfather 25 years ago, Sulian's grandfather was not well managed, decided to marry Su's families, reorganize the resources of the two families. One-third of the industries under the Su Group's current names are the products of Xiaoshu. Su's father is an old and only son and his father died soon after marriage. Su Xiao inherited most of the inheritance as a legal daughter's spouse. In recent years, the parts of the group have become factions. The faction hopes that men are in charge of the old school of the company. The other faction is Revolutionary School of Su Xiao. Stuck in this time, these are very complicated in case your mother can bear it. So it turns out everything will put on Yulian's mother. Because of what's happening, everything. I will go in the evening over the group. Auntie, I believe that my mother can handle them well. Well, she looks really confident on herself. So when I say it again, I don't support your adventure. Now, she's getting impatient and also she's been warning her. But of course, she got really worried about Wen Zhao. Wen Zhao suddenly moved closer to her. You can stop me. Did you not listen to my words? Do you believe me? Now, she's really getting impatient. And also, she got really worried about her. But for Wen Zhao, it seems that she really won't back down. Well, Yulian also thinks that to restrain Wen Zhao, but of course, Wen Zhao. But Yulian, right now, it seems that if you dare to go, I will go off your legs. Well, now, she looks really serious and also she got really worried about Wen Zhao. Well, Wen Zhao, of course, she won't really back down. But now, she moved closer to her. Which leg? Well, she's being tricky. She knows that Yulian will never does that to her, but of course, she was heavily teasing her at this moment. But of course, you know when this is. Don't mess around. No nonsense. Let me go, and I will be when I come back. Wen Zhao said to her, now, this is really getting strange, and she believed on her. Just once, if you want to tie me, in the future, you still but going after for my legs, well, definitely. Yulian is only joking, but of course, Wen Zhao, she got really curious. So it turns out now she become tricky. You need to do this. Whatever you want to me, even when your canary can be. So it turns out she got tricked by Wen Zhao again. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!